Hello children and welcome back. Hope you all are safe and healthy during these days. So we are going to start chapter 4, that is operation on large numbers. So children, you have already learned 4 basic mathematical operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So in this video we will cover the addition portion of this chapter and rest of the operation we will do in the next videos. So first I am going to explain what is addends and sum. So children, on addition, each one of the numbers to be added is called an addend and the result of addition is called their sum. So in previous class you have already learned the addition of 6-digit numbers. In the same way we add numbers having 7 or more digits. So here one example is given, just look into it. Here you have to add two numbers, that is 54,36,289 and 25,78,657 and write the sum in verse. So children, first you have to write in column wise like given in the example, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, and you have to write the numbers accordingly and you have to start addition from ones place, from right to left, and we'll get the answer after adding these numbers. The answer is 80,14,946. So children, come to exercise 6. Here question number 1 to 10 given and all are already arranged in column. So you have to do it by yourself. And the next category of the questions are find the sum of the following. So numbers are given, you have to arrange it in a column as place value chart and then you have to add it. So one of this question I am going to explain, just listen carefully. See children, question number 12. Here four questions are there, four numbers are there. You have to arrange it in a column wise, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. You have to write the numbers, each digit in the respective place value chart and you have to add it. After adding you have to write the answer. So after adding these numbers, the sum is 51 crore, 39 lakh, 77,901. So rest of the question you have to do by yourself children and try to solve maximum number of questions from each exercise. Now exercise 7 is based on the word problem. So I am going to explain each question. Listen carefully and try to solve it in your maths notebook. So I am going to explain one by one. Children, question number 1 is the number of persons who visited the holy shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi during last 2 consecutive years was 63 lakhs 78,907 and 78 lakh 65,089 respectively. So how many persons visited the shrine during these 2 years? So see children here how to write steps. So the step should be like this. First you have to write down what is given in the questions and then you have to find the sum. So the first step is the number of persons who visited the holy shrine in first year. Write down the number. Then the number of persons who visited the holy shrine in second year is equal to, write down numbers. Therefore the number of persons who visited the shrine during these 2 years you have to add it. So first you arrange it column wise and then add. Start adding from ones place to the next place numbers. So here after adding it will get, the answer is 1 crore 42 lakhs 43,996. Okay, then come to question number 2. Question number 2 is, last year 3 sugar factories in a town produced 2 crore 38 lakh 7,575 bags, 1 crore 97 lakh 28,686 bags, and 89 lakh 62,347 bags respectively. How many bags in all were produced by all the 3 factories during last year? So the step should be like this. Whatever is given you have to write down first. Bags produced in first factory is equal to the number given. Then bags produced in second factory. Then bags produced in third factory. Then last you have to add all the bags of the first, second and third factories to find out the total number of bags. So total bags produced by all the 3 factories, you have to add it. First you have to arrange it column wise and then start adding from ones place. Okay, so after adding, the answer will be 5 crore 24 lakh 98,608. Now question number 3 is, in a city there are 57 lakh 26,439 men, then 44 lakh 39,675 women, and 20 lakh 16,348 children. What is the total population of the city? So the step should be like this: the number of men in a city, then number of women in the city, then number of children in a city, then the total population of the city is equal to, you have to add all the numbers of men, women and children. So after adding each number, you get the sum. Okay, now come to question number 4, that is, in a particular year the male population of a city was 23,59,324 more than the female population. The number of female was 68,13,675. So what was the male population and what was the total population of the city during the year? So children, first you have to write number of females, then for getting number of males you have to add it, the more number to the female numbers. So after getting the number of males, you have to add both number of males and females. So you get the total population of the city. So total population of the city is 1 crore 59 lakhs 86,674. Now look question number 5. The sales receipt of a company during the year 2011 was rupees 1 crore 30 lakhs 47,546. Next year it increased by rupees 79 lakhs 73,674. What was the sales receipt of the company in the year 2012 and what was the total sales receipt of the company during these 2 years? So children, this is the step. The sales receipt of a company in 2011 is equal to rupees, what is given you have to write down. The sales receipt of the company in 2012, it is so for 2012 we have to find out the increased number of the sales receipt by adding the numbers from 2011. So you get the desired answer. So after getting the 2 years receipt numbers, you have to find the total sales receipt during these 2 years. So you have to add this to sales receipt. Okay children, so first you have to arrange it in column and then you have to start adding from ones place. So you will get the answer 3 crore 40 lakhs 68,766. Now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is, in a particular year an industry produced 67,36,265 bicycles. Next year the number of bicycles produced was 13,74,589, more than those produced in the preceding year. So how many bicycles were produced during these 2 years? So first you have to write down what is given. Bicycles produced in a year, it is what is given, you have to write down. Then bicycle produced in the next year, you have to add the previous year number with increased number of the bicycle. After getting it, you have to do the sum of these numbers. Total bicycle produced in these 2 years, you have to add the number of bicycle from these 2 consecutive years. So you will find answer 1 crore 48 lakhs 47,119. So children, while doing all these questions, in every question you have to add the numbers, but it is very necessary to arrange the numbers correctly in the column wise so that you will get the correct answer. Now come to question number 7. There are 3 candidates in an election. They received respective votes. The number of invalid votes are also given and the number of persons did not vote, and you have to find out how many votes were registered. So children, the step should be like this. The number of votes of first candidate, write down, it is given in the question. The number of votes of second candidate, the number of votes of third candidate, the number of invalid votes, the number of persons who did not vote, and you have to add all these numbers. So after adding all these numbers, you get the number of votes registered. So the number of votes registered is 13,796. Now come to question number 8. A survey conducted on an Indian state shows that the number of people have only primary education. So children, in these questions the numbers are given, how many people are having primary education, how many people are having secondary education, how many people are having higher education, how many people are illiterate, and how many children are there who is below the age of school admission. So you have to find the population of that state. So children, all the numbers are given. You have to write down step like this, and finally you have to add all the numbers to get total population. So steps should be like this. Number of persons having primary education is equal to, it's given in the question, we have to see there and write down. The number of persons having secondary education, number of persons having higher education, number of persons who are illiterate, and the number of children below the age of school admission. Therefore population of state is equal to, you have to add all the numbers. After adding it, you will get the desired answer. So answer is 2 crore 12 lakh 11,579. So children, come to the last question, that is question number 9. A number exceeds 35637844 by 7674156. What is that number? So children, you have to find out the required number. So you have to add it. First you arrange the column wise and then add from one place to the respective places number. Finally you get the answer, that is 4 crore 33 lakhs 12,000 answer. Okay, the answer is 4 crore 33 lakh 12,000. Okay, so this is all about this video, and the other operations we will do in the next videos. We will meet in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.